Welcome back to the channel, and thank you all for watching HCKT TV. Make sure you visit Everett, Kentucky. That's my hometown and the hometown of heroes. While you're visiting Everett, stay at Black Mountain Cabins and Campers, located there in Everett, Kentucky, just minutes from the trailhead. Also, while you're in Everett, eat at the Southern Belle Restaurant, located in downtown Everett. Also, if you support the channel, scan that QR code. Let's get started into this video. Thank you for watching. Where is the transparency at, Mr. Government? I can't see it. What is going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. We got a forest fire here. We are in the Elcombe area. This is where we're at, up on Highway 72. Word Liggett, Mary Ellis, all that is. That's a dry ridge right there, folks. Hot spots all up through it. I heard the fire truck go up. So there they go spraying. See the water going up on the right hand side, creating all that smoke. Looks like we got us a good pile of timber above it though, smoking. Here. So they're shooting it out of the cannon. Yep, it's coming out of the cannon. Smoke's a pouring out of Elcombe now. Pouring out of it, guys. The wind gonna spread it. We've been having gusts up to 20 miles an hour today, so that's no fun for a firefighter. They're having to drive down the road there to fill that tanker up. People doing dumb shit, I promise you. That wind's feeding it for sure. The smoke rolling up. First forest fire of 2025 that I caught. As far as I know, it's to be the first one of the year here in Harlan. Yep. Mountain is a burning. The mountain is a burning. As far as I know, they only got one truck up here that I seen. Don't know who the fire department is. Wasn't able to see that. But they're on the move to go get them some more water. They emptied that truck fast, didn't they? Less than 3 minutes it was. Trying to listen to popping and cracking. I thought I heard something up there. Winds are feeding it, boys. Winds are feeding it for sure. See any fires coming up out of it? That little area there is starting to get a little hotter. That wind's feeding the shit out of it. It's just as easy as finding something dead like that right there, guys, and sticking a lighter to it. That's all you got to do. And then you just made a fire. See? That simple. That simple. And I promise you that's good and dry right there. That sign's right there. Shooting straight down on that. That's dry, crispy dry up there. Rice crispy dry. That big part I definitely having some boots on walking through. Get up there and get it, boy, get it. Get it there, Nehru. Ooh, doggies heating up. Starting to roll out there, Nehru. You better get your boys back here. Oh, there's a big gust coming. Big gust of wind coming. Right at my back. Yep, just turned that smoke. Blowing it that way. Back up in the holler where the cell phone tower is. The smoke's rolling back. Where the hell they go get their water at? Way up at the fucking Liggett. We've been sitting there for a good 5 minutes. They'll never get that out like that. They dump water for 2 minutes. It takes them 5 plus to... That math don't sound good, does it? I'm gonna have to go put it out for him. I've got to pay. I have to go put it out. Damn, guys. Man, where they at? They went up the road. I figured there's a fire hydrant close up there. I think I hear something backing up, beeping up there. It's way up there. That'd be a school bus, though. We'll see. And I'm fixing to head back to the car. I'm sure they'll get it out, but me and my wife's got some stuff to do. There comes my beautiful wife. See my beautiful wife? Well, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I'll see you all on the next one.